What used to take me forever, and to be honest, I didn't even dare to start a YouTube channel, was recording a YouTube video. I knew that the moment I tried, I'm gonna be drowned in camera scripts, setups, lenses, editing software, like color correction, editing graphics. Just think about it, killed all the motivation. And that's why for years I've been like skipping starting a channel at all. And you can see, but now I built a completely autonomous system and studio that I can press just one button and within minutes I'll be in a video ready to upload. No editors, no wasted hours. And today I'm going to show you exactly how and how much it costs to set up such a system and to use it daily in your blogs. So I've wanted to start a YouTube channel, and if you ever felt that you don't like how you look on a camera, or probably you don't want to spend 10 hours cutting footage, you don't want to pay someone hundreds of dollars when your channel isn't making a cent, I had every single one of those excuses, to be honest. And for years I've been delaying, telling myself someday, maybe, or I even distracted myself with AI tools just to avoid facing the real problem, is showing my face and creating content constantly. But there's the truth. Actually, you will let those excuses win if you don't start. Your channel will never happen. So I decided to kill that problem once and for all. And that's why I have built an autonomous YouTube studio. The heart of it, it's my MacBook running OBS. OBS is a free, and yes, it takes some setup, but once it's tuned, it's like magic. I created multiple scenes and connected them to my Stream Deck. Now I can switch angles in real time with a single button press, and my GeoList is pretty simple and very powerful. So in the heart I use a camera with 35mm lens, and it's for cinematic blur, as you can see at my back. And I use Elgato Prompter that lets me look straight into your eyes while reading notes. That helps me a lot. And 4K capture card for flawless video quality. A wireless mic so I sound crystal clear, and proper lighting, and mobile desk on wheels, so I can ship the whole setup pretty instantly. The main purpose of this setup is to give me a way to save a lot of time for editing, for writing scripts, and to be honest, to just feel a bit more like to grab some more time back to myself, because I don't really want to spend hours editing or hiring a very expensive editor. And that is why you can look straight with your eyes into the prompter and get a very well done video straight away with just a simple solution. So this is my mobile desk, which I use nowadays every day, and for the meetings and for my own videos that I'm currently recording with you. I have a proper lighting and the mobile desk, as I told you, on wheels, that allows me to move and shift this whole setup around my apartment to get a proper and nicer view. So now here's the impact. Before editing one video, it took me 8 hours. And now, very simple, I can do it like pretty straight away. I have my terminal here, I have my browser straight away here. Even I can use the browser for the whole frame, or I can talk to you straight away right here. So now it takes me just 10 minutes to record a video, and I save around 40 hours every month. So my entire work wheel is saved. So imagine what you could do with this whole setup. And for me, it means more videos, more experience, and more energy left for building my own business. The only thing I need is an idea and a script, and even that I draft in ChatGPT. Everything else is automated straight away. My name is Pavel. I build systems and automate businesses for myself, for companies. I care about one thing, real cases. And I care about it that it saves money for businesses and people. And this studio is my actual case study. I'll be sharing many more, from how I use AI to build products faster and how do I monetize content online. So here's my ask. If you ever told yourself, I want to start a channel, but you can find a word for this, but share this video with a friend who needs that push. Comment below what's been holding you back the most, because I promise you're not alone. I've been there also. And hit this subscribe button. It really helps me, and because definitely of the next video that I'll show you how exactly I earn money with AI, how I grow and monetize content while living in Miami, and the exact strategy I'm using to scale to millions in revenue. Real numbers, real updates, and daily. Thank you.